Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Monzo Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Monzo Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a detailed look at the features and functionality of Monzo's business account, primarily aimed at small business owners and freelancers. It's not a service in itself, but rather a review and analysis of an existing banking product. Key features mentioned often include its free plan, its budgeting tools, and its integration with various accounting software. Their website provides details on all the account's features and pricing. Monzo positions its business account as a simple, transparent alternative to traditional business banking, emphasizing ease of use and no hidden fees. They highlight their mobile-first approach and readily available customer support. Availability is, of course, dependent on location. Check their website for eligibility details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Monzo Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the account was a breeze. The onboarding process was entirely online and took less than 15 minutes. The interface is incredibly intuitive, even for someone like me who's not tech-savvy. I particularly appreciated the clear visual representation of my income and expenses. The budgeting tools were a lifesaver for tracking project-specific finances. I found the speed of transactions to be reliable. Payments went through instantly, which was crucial for my workflow. I had a quick question about integrating with Xero accounting software, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, offering clear and helpful instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to create custom categories for expenses. One minor drawback was the limited number of free international transfers. It took a little while to get used to all the advanced reporting features. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Monzo's business account. It streamlined my finances and made managing my business significantly easier. That's my overview of Monzo Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.